Are you thinking about selling your home on your own? It's a big decision, but with the right plan and some guidance, you can absolutely do it and keep more money in your pocket. With over 20 years of real estate experience, I've seen firsthand how sellers can succeed when they're prepared. So let's dive into a step by step guide to help you sell your home confidently and avoid common pitfalls. Step 1, price your home right. Pricing is the foundation of your entire sale. Start by researching homes that have recently sold in your area. Look for properties similar in size, condition, and location. While websites like Zillow can be a helpful starting point, be cautious. Those estimates can be way off. Zillow doesn't account for your home's unique features or updates. For the most accurate pricing, consider hiring a professional appraiser. It's worth the investment to ensure you don't leave money on the table or scare off buyers with an unrealistic price. Step 2. Get your home ready to shine. Buyers fall in love with homes that are move-in ready. Start by decluttering, deep cleaning, and tackling any small repairs you've been putting off. To make your home truly stand out, consider hiring a stager or interior designer. A professional can rearrange furniture, add stylish touches, and highlight your home's best features to appeal to the widest range of buyers. Don't forget curb appeal. It's the first thing buyers see. Mow the lawn, tidy up landscaping, and maybe even add a fresh coat of paint to your front door. Step 3, spread the word. Once your home is ready, it's time to market it. Great photos are non-negotiable, so if you can, hire a professional photographer. List your home on popular real estate websites like Zillow, Realtor.com, and Facebook Marketplace. Share it on social media and even consider local classifieds. A detailed, engaging description that highlights your home's best features will also go a long way. Be prepared for the calls and emails that follow. Many will be from potential buyers, but you'll also hear from realtors who say they have buyers interested in your home. They might ask if you're willing to cooperate with them, essentially if you'll agree to pay their commission if their buyer purchases your home. It's your choice, but keep in mind that most buyers work with agents. Agreeing to this can expand your buyer pool significantly. If you do cooperate, remember that their commission will typically come out of your proceeds at closing. Step 4, show your home safely. Schedule showings at times that are convenient for buyers and make sure the home is spotless and welcoming. If you're hosting an open house or private showing, take precautions to secure valuables and sensitive documents. Let someone know when you're hosting showings and consider having a friend or family member with you. Step 5, review offers carefully. When offers come in, it's not just about the price. Pay attention to contingencies, closing timelines, and the buyer's financing. For example, are they pre-approved for a mortgage, or is their offer contingent on selling their current home? These details can impact whether the sale moves forward smoothly. If you're not sure about any terms, consult a real estate attorney. They'll ensure you understand the offer and protect your interests. Step 6, prepare for inspection requests. After accepting an offer, the buyer will likely schedule inspections. Be ready for them to request repairs or credits based on the findings. Decide in advance which repairs you're willing to address and which you'll push back on. Staying firm but reasonable is key to keeping the deal on track. Step 7 is working with a good title company. The title company is your partner in finalizing the sale and making sure everything goes smoothly. They'll handle the paperwork, verify ownership, check for any liens, and ensure the legal transfer of the property. You'll need to provide details about your mortgage, property taxes, and an HOA if it's applicable, and they'll guide you through closing day. When everything's signed, they'll record the deed with the county, officially transferring ownership to the buyer. And best of all, they'll ensure you get your proceeds without a hitch. A good title company keeps the process stress-free and professional so you can focus on moving forward. Step 8, my favorite, navigating offers. If your marketing efforts pay off and you attract multiple buyers, you'll need a strategy for choosing the best offer. Look beyond the price. Consider contingencies, financing, and the buyer's flexibility on closing timelines. A higher offer with too many contingencies might not be your best bet. Remember, you want the strongest offer that will close smoothly. Step 9, disclosures and legal requirements. Transparency is key when selling a home. Be prepared to provide disclosures about the property's condition, past repairs, neighborhood nuisances, or anything else required by law in your area. This could include things like past water damage, repairs you've made, or noisy neighbors. Failing to disclose properly can lead to legal issues down the road, so it's worth consulting an attorney to ensure you meet all requirements. Remember, this is the number one reason why sellers end up in court. Step 10, stay objective and organized. Selling a home can be emotional, but try to stay objective. Create a timeline for your sale, including milestones like pricing, marketing, negotiating offers, and closing. It's normal to feel attached to your home, but remember, this is a business transaction. Keeping a level head will help you make better decisions and reduce a lot of stress. Selling your home on your own is a big project, but with preparation and the right mindset, you can absolutely do it. If you'd like more help, I've put together a free PDF guide for sellers that I will put in the description below. Remember, you don't have to go it alone entirely. There are professionals like title companies, appraisers, and attorneys who can support you along the way. And if you ever have questions or get stuck, I'm always here to help. Be sure to check out my other videos for more great info. You've got this. Good luck, and I'm cheering on for you every step of the way.
Hey guys, for more content similar to this, smash that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.